Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to track a run with OnePlus Watch 4. To start tracking your run on your watch, you will need to press on this button to turn on the exercise mode. You can see it already opens it. Let's try again. So if I click on this button, it opens exercises. Now, I have many different options to choose from. It's outdoor run, track run, indoor run, fat burn run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycle, and everything else. Let's do outdoor walk. So I'll select that. And now you have all the data like GPS and your heart rate and everything else. Let's just click on go and it'll start tracking after counting down from 3, and it's the start of your run. You can swipe up to switch between different data, and the data that is going to be displayed here is the kilometers, the duration, the heart rate zone, the pace, the active calories burnt, elevation, total ascent, total descent, also the calories burnt, right? But fat burnt, sugar, and heart rate. Yeah, there is also going to be your VO, GCT, your BPM zone, and you can slide to the left to hold to end. When you hold on this button, you'll end it, your pause, and you can also swipe to the right page to adjust your music. Now let's stop by holding here. You can see now I can scroll down, select end workout, and that is basically how you record your run. Later on, it will be visible in the app. Yeah, so if you'd like to see it in the app, just slide down from the top of your screen in the app to refresh data. Now you will be able to go to fitness and you will find the workout records here. You can also go into a tab. You can edit it to add more tabs, of course, but we're talking about running, so it's there by default. I don't see any records here, but it's likely because I didn't even wear the watch during the workout being turned on. But you should see records if you've already performed a workout. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.